So there are some Instagram notes that they are not appearing directly inside my actual thoughts. This is my note. If this one does not appear into your Instagram, let's see what we can do in order to change that element. So we can force an application refresh and the update. This process is exactly the same when you're using your computer and your smart device. So my basic, but it's where the 80% people messed up, is that Instagram constantly patches the features into the actual background. If this application version drifts and even slide behind, what you need to do is to go directly into your App Store or the Google Play Store or the Microsoft Store. Look out for the application of the actual Instagram. When you find the actual application, you wanted to make sure that you don't see the element that says upgrade, because if this one has an actual book, we needed to just install once again or reinstall or update the actual application and try to use Instagram once more. Sometimes this will be just completely from the running app tray. Wait a few seconds, relaunch it, and the new feature set is initialized. Now, if your application is fully updated and notes are still missing, it's likely an actual account bug on your business or profile creator account. So if you focus into your account, what you can do is to look out for the three lines into the top right and head for the settings and the actual privacy. Make sure that you scroll down until you'll see the account type and the actual tools. When you might be seeing here the account element, which in this case we have the actual professional account, we can change the switch to personal account to make this process much more faster. Sometimes this worked and makes this process really easily. If it doesn't, we can focus for the third element, which is enabling the activity status. Into my settings, now that we are inside here, I will be looking for the actual element that says privacy. So let's go once again for more. Let's go for settings. Inside the settings, I will be clicking inside here. I'm going to go for privacy, account privacy. So inside here, what you can do is to allow the public photos and the videos to appear to the search result. And then I will be looking now for more stuff. Let's click once again into the upper side that says privacy, like this, and go for privacy center. Sometimes this actually works. In my case, I will not be focusing into the privacy element, but basically what we're actually aiming for is into the messaged and stories replies. So if I go for message and stories replies, here I will be looking for show activity status, and the toggle button is flipped from gray to blue, so activate this. So this can be actually worked on. Something else is to clear the actual cache and offload application. You don't need to do this into your smart device, but just go for settings, general, iPhone storage or Android storage, for example. Go for the Instagram and look out for the element that says offload application. It will be looking for something like this. This is actually what we are actually aiming for. The element that says offload the application. This deletes the buggy temporary system files and reinstall the application once again, and you're actually good to go. So those are just a few tools that I can be suggesting you to make this process really fast. But I believe that 90% of the actual problem is because we haven't updated our actual account, in this case our actual application. So with this being said, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If it was this really great tool for you, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys well next time.